why was he called the luckiest fool? Timothy Dexter was an American man born in 1747. People called him the luckiest fool. He became famous for his strange and funny business stories. He was not very smart, but he was very lucky. Timothy thought he was a great businessman, but other traders laughed at him. They believed he did not understand business at all. Still, many lucky things happened to him. One day, some traders wanted to make fun of him. They told him that the West Indies needed many gloves. They were joking because the islands are very hot and no one needs gloves there. Timothy did not understand the joke. He bought 40,000 pairs of gloves and sent them to the islands. But he was lucky. When his ships arrived, at the same time, some Russian ships came to the islands. The Russians lived in a cold country, so they bought all the gloves. Timothy made a lot of money. The other traders became jealous. They wanted him to fail. So they told him to send coal to Newcastle in England. They did not tell him that Newcastle already had a lot of coal. Timothy believed them and sent many ships full of coal there. But something amazing happened. Before his ships arrived, the workers in Newcastle went on strike. There was not enough coal in the city. When Timothy's ships came, everyone wanted to buy his coal. He sold everything and became even richer. After that, Timothy Dexter wanted to surprise people again. He announced that he was dead. He even had a fake funeral in his house. About 3,000 people came to offer their condolences. But then Timothy appeared alive. Everyone was very surprised. When he saw his wife did not cry, he hit her with a stick. She did not show enough sadness for his death. The end.